Nigeria's export economy is showing promising trends, with total exports valued at 23.3 trillion Nigerian nairas in 2023. While petroleum products still dominate exports, agricultural and processed goods present opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to establish profitable export businesses. This video highlights the top-performing export products from Nigeria, their profit potential, and market dynamics, and tips to get started. Sesame seeds. Nigeria ranks among the world's top sesame producers, contributing approximately 440,000 metric tons annually, according to recent agricultural statistics. Nigeria is positioned to own massive returns and growth with substantial export potential in both Asian and European markets. The global sesame seeds market size was valued at $7.7 billion in 2024 and is estimated to grow at a CAGR of over 2.3% from 2025 to 2034, with export prices ranging from $1,050 to $1,750 per metric ton. Some of the most profitable sesame varieties suitable for export include white sesame seeds. These premium-grade seeds command prices between $1,600 and $1,800 per metric ton. They typically have a maximum moisture content of 6% and a minimum oil content of 48%. Mixed sesame seeds. This lower-grade variety is priced between $1,050 and $1,400 per metric ton, making it a more accessible option for newer exporters while still providing satisfactory returns. To start a sesame export business, partner directly with farmers' cooperatives in key producing states like Jigawa, Kano, Gom, and Yobe. You should earmark at least 5 to 15 million Nigerian nairas to invest in working capital along with funds for warehousing, processing equipment, and export documentation. Focus on quality processing by setting up sorting and moisture control equipments. Then implement testing protocols, and work on obtaining organic certification. Additionally, target importers in Japan and Turkey by attending international trade fairs, building relationships with trading companies, and considering contract farming for consistent supply. 2. Cocoa. Nigeria's cocoa export industry generates over $800 million annually, with profit margins ranging from 25% to 45% depending on processing levels and market timing. The global cocoa market is currently estimated at $15.5 billion, with Nigeria holding a 6.5% market share, producing about 240,000 metric tons annually. Premium specialty cocoa is priced at 20% to 40% above commodity prices, with peak pricing seasons typically occurring between March and May, and September and November. The most profitable export options in Nigeria's cocoa sector focus on processed products. Raw cocoa beans, priced between $2,200 and $2,800 per metric ton, these beans have a profit margin of 25% to 30%, making them a relatively accessible option for exporters. With growing demand in Asia, cocoa powder presents significant opportunities for exporters. If you're interested in starting a cocoa export business, it's recommended to begin with exporting raw cocoa beans by partnering with farmers. Focus on improving the quality to Grade 1 standards and target European and North American markets. 3. Cashew nuts. As Africa's third-largest cashew producer, Nigeria's cashew industry is growing at an exponential rate and is expected to produce 300,000 metric tons of cashew by 2030. If you're looking to enter the crop export market, cashew exports may be a strong option. The global market is currently estimated at $7.8 billion, with projections indicating it could reach about $11 billion by next year. With Nigeria producing around 220,000 metric tons, valued at $160 million annually. Raw cashew nuts are priced between $1,400 and $1,800 per metric ton, with profit margins of 30% to 40%. Processed cashew kernels are priced even higher, between $8,500 and $12,000 per metric ton, with profit margins of 50% to 70%. To start your cashew export business in Nigeria, focus on sourcing from major producing states like Kogi, Enugu. Begin by building relationships with farmer associations, implementing quality grading systems, and developing storage facilities to take advantage of seasonal price variations. For processing, you can choose between manual, semi-automated, or fully automated methods, depending on your investment and efficiency needs. Start by exporting raw nuts to India and Vietnam. Then develop processing capabilities to target premium markets in Europe and North America. Starting a successful export business requires more than just product knowledge. It demands strategic planning, operational excellence, and continuous market intelligence. The opportunities in Nigeria's export sector are significant, but success hinges on careful execution and professional guidance. Are you ready to transform your export business vision into reality? The next step is to develop a customized export business strategy that aligns with your specific goals, available resources, and target markets. Professional guidance can help you avoid common pitfalls, accelerate market entry. Contact us to help you make your export business a success.